In this project, we are asked to produce sampling plans for 3 different procedures: single sampling, double sampling, and multiple sampling. The acceptable quality level is set at 4, and our lot size is 30,000 units. So now let's talk about the sampling plans. A single sampling plan is a lot sentencing procedure in which one sample of n units is selected at random from a lot, and the disposition of the lot is determined based on the information contained of that sample. So 3 decisions can be made. One is accept the lot, the other is reject the lot, and the other one is to take a second sample, which is double sample. If the second sample is taken, the information from both the first and the second sample is combined in order to reach a decision whether to accept or reject the lot. A multiple sampling plan is an extension of the double sampling concept, wherein more than 2 samples may be required in order to reach a decision regarding the disposition of the lot. According to our lot size, our code letter is M, and for all different procedures we have done 3 different inspection levels: normal, tighten, and reduce. In this table, you can see the sample sizes, acceptance number, and rejection number for the single sampling. And we use tables 2A, 2B, and 2C to do this, to collect these values. For double sampling, the procedures is the same, but we use tables 3A, 3B, and 3C. For multiple sampling, for normal inspection, we have used table 4A. For tighten inspection, we have used table 4B. And for reduced inspection, we have used table 4C. So now let's discuss a bit on switching procedures. When normal inspection is in effect, tighten inspection is instituted when 2 out of 5 consecutive lots have been rejected on original submission. When tighten inspection is instituted, when tighten inspection is in effect, normal inspection is instituted when 5 consecutive lots of batches are accepted on original inspection. When normal inspection is in effect, reduced inspection is applied, provided that all of the following 4 conditions are satisfied: the preceding 10 lots have been on normal inspection and none of them have been rejected. The total number of defective in the sample of 10 lots is less or equal than applicable number limit of specified in the standard. Production is at steady rate, and reduced inspection is desirable by a responsible authority. When reduced inspection is in effect, normal inspection is instituted when any of the following 4 conditions occur: a lot of batches rejected, when sampling procedure terminates with neither acceptance or rejection criteria being met, and when production is irregular or delayed. In the event that 10 consecutive lots remains on tighten inspection, inspection under provision of the military standard should be terminated, and action should be taken at the supplier level to improve the quality of submitted lots.